Hi, my name is Nyla Noor. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to practice our wavy snake arm. I'm going to break it down in detail. Let's get practicing. With any arm movement, it comes from the base of our arm, the shoulder, our traps. Okay, so beginning on the right side, shoulder rolls up, back, and down, up, back, and down, up, back, down, up, back, down. Other side, up, back, down, up, back, down, up, back, down, up, back, down. Now let's go alternating right and left, starting with our right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So another thing that I like to do with my students is practice this. One elbow will be up and one elbow will be down. This is to get our elbow opposition. Let it go. Okay, so one arm at a time. Our shoulder initiates the movement, then it moves to our elbow, wrist, and fingers. And we want energy through the arm the entire time. So we go up, back, down, elbow, wrist, fingers. Shoulder back and down, elbow, wrist, fingers. And as my elbow comes up, when my wrist comes up, my elbow starts to point down again, okay? Shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers, shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers. Okay, other side. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers, shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers. Yep. One side will probably feel stickier than the other. That's okay. All right, so let's work them together. Start feeling it out just in your shoulders. So you go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. You may need to exaggerate it at first to feel it out, okay? So ultimately, we're not going to be going like this, right? But I want you to understand the direction that your elbow should be going when you have both arms going at the same time. Okay, so I can make it smaller, but you see the movement is essentially the same, rolling down my arm. Yep. It can be even smaller. It can be even bigger. Yeah. And then you get a really big opposition. Okay. Perfect. So that is our snake arm, wave arm, and most important thing, movement's coming from the shoulder. Don't forget that shoulder roll. This is what it looks like whenever you have not integrated it fully with the base of your body, okay? Flappy arms, okay? That's my biggest takeaway from this and what I always tell my students. So once again, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Please subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.